Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Last session we talked about lesson 1 الدرس الأول. We move in this session to talk about الدرس الرابع, lesson number 4. In this lesson we talk about حركات that we put فتحة, a bar over the letter, or كسرة, a bar under the letter, or ضمة, a circle thing over the letter. So when I use فتحة, I open my mouth. When I use كسرة, I try to bring the letter down. When I use ضمة, I try to make my lips rounded. So we start همزة فتحة أ, همزة كسرة إي, همزة ضمة أو. So together أ, إي, أو. Then the second letter ها فتحة ها, ها كسرة هي, ها ضمة هو. Together ها, هي, هو. The next letter عين فتحة ع, عين كسرة عي, عين ضمة عو. Together ع, عي, عو. We go to the next letter ح فتحة ح, ح كسرة حي, ح ضمة حو. Together ح, حي, حو. We go to the next letter غين فتحة غا, غين كسرة غي, غين ضمة غو. Together غا, غي, غو. We go to the next letter خا فتحة خا, خا كسرة خي, خا ضمة خو. Together خا, خي, خو. Here we notice that we are talking about the 6 letters that come from throat. حروف الحلق, 6 letters that come from throat. After this, we go to the 2 letters coming from the back of the tongue. The back of the tongue rises up to touch the soft plate or the soft palate. So we go to these 2 letters, قاف and كاف. So here we have قاف فتحة قا, قاف كسرة قي, قاف ضمة قو. So together قا, قي, قو. Then we go to the next letter كاف فتحة كا, كاف كسرة كي, كاف ضمة كو. So together ka, ki, ku. So these two letters coming from the back of the tongue. Then we go forward to the middle of the tongue. We have jim, sheen. So here we have jim, fatha, ja, jim, kasra, ji, jim, dhamma, ju. So together, ja, ji, ju. Then we go to the next letter شين فتحة شا, شين كسرة شي, شين ضمة شو. Together شا, شي, شو. Then we go to the third letter that comes from the middle of the tongue. يا فتحة يا, يا كسرة يي, يا ضمة يو. Together يا, يي, يو. Then we go to the letter ضاد. We go to the letter ضاد. That in this letter you notice that the tongue, or the side of the tongue, one of the 2 sides of the tongue, it rises up to touch the gums of the upper back teeth. So here we have ضاد. The side of the tongue rises up to touch the gums of upper back teeth. So here we have this letter, we say ضاد. So we have ضاد فتحة ضا, ضاد كسرة ضي, ضاد ضمة دو. Together ضا, ضي, do. Then we go to 3 letters, lam, noon, and ra. So here we have lam fatha la, lam kasra li, lam dhamma lu. Together, la, li, lu. Then we come to noon. Noon fatha na, noon kasra ni, noon dhamma nu. Together, na, ni, nu. Then we go to the next letter, ra fatha ra, ra kasra ri, ra dhamma ru. Together, ra, ri, ru. Then we come to 3 letters, ta, dal, ta. So these 3 letters, in the 3 letters, ta, dal, ta, in these 3 letters, okay, as you notice here, that the tip of the tongue touches the gums of upper 2 front teeth. So here we use the tip of the tongue to touch the gums of upper 2 front teeth. So we produce the 3 letters, as we said, with the tip of the tongue. So as you notice here, we try to produce these 3 letters. We have ta fatha ta, ta kasra ti, ta dhamma tu, dal fatha da, dal kasra di, dal dhamma du. Then we go to ta, ta fatha ta, ta kasra ti, ta dhamma tu. Then we go to صاد, صاد fatha sa, صاد kasra si, صاد dhamma su. Then we go to sin, sin fatha sa, sin kasra si, sin dhamma su. Then we go to za, za fatha za, za kasra zi, za dhamma zu. Then we go to va and dhal and tha. We said these 3 letters, we use the tip of our tongue. It touches the edge of the upper 2 teeth. So here we have va fatha va, va kasra zi, va dhamma dhu, va zi dhu. Then we have dhal fatha dha, dhal kasra dhi, dhal dhamma dhu. So together, the, dhu. Then we go to tha, tha fatha tha, tha kasra thi, tha dhamma thu, tha, thi, thu. Then we go to letters that come from the lips. The 4 letters come from the lips. Fa fatha fa, fa kasra fi, fa dhamma fu. So together, fa, fi, fu. So again, we notice that these 4 letters come from the lips. So again, we say fa fatha fa, fa kasra fi, fa dhamma fu. Together, fa, fi, fu. Then we go to waw, wa fatha wa, wa kasra wi, wa dhamma wu, wa, wi, wu. Then we go to ba, ba fatha ba, ba kasra bi, ba dhamma bu, ba, bi, bu. Then we go to mim, mim fatha ma, mim kasra mi, mim dhamma mu. جزاكم الله خيرا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته، وصلى على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم.